Well, here I am at Burley Woodhead, and the owners of this lovely house are planning a garden party this weekend to celebrate King Charles's coronation. They're a little bit embarrassed about the state of their York stone patio though, and to be honest, I don't blame them. My name's Paul Driver and I'm the owner of JetReady. Let me show you this afternoon how I'm going to bring this York stone paving back to life and create the perfect party atmosphere. So the thing about York stone is that it's actually really difficult to clean. It's a very soft, porous rock, and organic growth can actually exist within the substrate itself. Now often you can deal with this with the use of chemicals, but in this particular location the whole house is on a septic tank including some of the surface drainage, and I can't run the risk of allowing any chemicals to end up in the septic tank. It'll stop working. So bearing in mind those limitations, I'll walk you through it step by step and show you how to get a great finish from this kind of surface. Let me share a secret with you. Watch to the end and I'll show you what steps can be taken to keep your patio looking clean and beautiful all the time without the need for regular pressure washing. So I'm going to start around the back. This is by far the most difficult area. There's lots of moss to get rid of. In fact, it's infested with moss. Absolutely loads of it. I'm going to shovel most of this up because we'll just end up blowing it all over the place with the pressure washer. So the paving is generally pretty dirty, lots of algae as well. Be really slippery on these steps. To the front of the property we've got this crazy paving. Looks a bit of a mess to be honest. Overlooking the garden, more paving up here too. Really black and dirty, lots of lichen stains, fair bit of moss as well. We've got steps down to the lawn, and I've got to say this has got to be one of the best views in Lower Wharfdale. Stunning. So there's a lot to do. Let's get started. Right, we're finished. That was a frantic few hours. Nice end to the day though. It's come up really well actually. We haven't used any chemicals at all. Concern about the septic tank, which I fully agree with. And actually it's surprisingly clean without using these sort of aggressive caustic solutions to get a more perfect result. Let's just have a quick look around. Okay, so starting around the back, remember this was really incredibly dirty with loads of moss. It was a real mess, frankly. But yeah, look at that. It's looking pretty damn. But yeah, look at that. It's looking great. We've still got these deep black lichen stains in this shady corner, but all of the moss is gone. Had I put some chemicals down, we could have gone a long way to seeing that off, but like I said, just not appropriate on this location. This little pathway around the perimeter was also really dirty, and this pathway to the front door especially was really, well, it was black, wasn't it? The colour was incredible actually. Look at it now, and these steps from the garden back up to the terrace looking a lot cleaner, but more to the point, they're not slippy at all. So when they have the guests around over the weekend for the coronation garden party, they don't need to worry about anybody going flying after. So at the beginning, I talked about the little secret, how you could maintain these kinds of surfaces so that they don't really need regular pressure washing. Well, that's all about annual maintenance. It's something that we can help you with. We call it soft washing. Soft washing is an alternative to pressure washing. We use the same equipment, but we don't use any high pressure. And what we do is that we put a special bio cleaning solution down. Do that once a year and you'll never need to worry about your paving becoming slippy. It won't discolour either. In fact, it'll get cleaner and cleaner as the time goes on. The best time for soft washing is in the autumn, when the algae and the moss is at its most active growth period. Stop it dead then and you just won't have a problem. There are over-the-counter products that you can buy for this, so it's something that you can do yourself, but to be honest, it's really labour intensive and you have to buy them in these single-use pump sprays. Doing an area this size would take forever. With our equipment though, we can arrive on site, we could have the whole lot done in 90 minutes, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper than pressure washing. So all in all, fantastic, a good result and a pleasing job to work on.